Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word center. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. She placed the vase of flowers in the center of the table. In this sentence, center refers to the middle point or central location where the vase of flowers was positioned on the table, emphasizing its placement as the focal point. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.